So xerostomia comes and it's either, some people just have a decreased amount of saliva in their mouth, and xerostomia is dry mouth. So some people just have a decreased amount of saliva, but some people have it because of side effects of medications. So we're not talking about getting them off of those medications right now. We're just talking about how to help them increase the amount of saliva they have so that their mouth is not dry and uncomfortable. When you have a dry mouth, it hurts, it's uncomfortable. It hurts to talk, it hurts to eat, it just makes life a lot more complicated, and it increases your chance of getting cavities a lot. Like a lot. So keeping your xerostomia, keeping your dry mouth under control is super important. Some of the best ways to keep it under control is by using a couple of natural solutions. So a couple of them that we have, one of them is peppermint oil. Peppermint helps increase salivary flow. It stimulates the salivary glands to release saliva, and so what you're gonna wanna do is take this, take this little tiny peppermint bead. It's 1/4 of a drop of peppermint oil. You're gonna pop it in your mouth. When you pop it in your mouth, it tells your salivary glands to produce saliva. So that helps throughout the day. It also helps freshen your breath and kill some bacteria to help prevent cavities as well. So peppermint oil helps with that. And then also xylitol. Xylitol helps with increasing salivary flow. So you're going to want to use the mouthwash. It has xylitol in it. You're going to use this a couple times a day anyways, especially before you go to bed, to increase that saliva. It also has peppermint in it that helps increase the saliva as well. Then you're going to want to use xylitol gum. Xylitol gum helps increase that salivary flow. In particular, this Slim and Sassy gum has xylitol and peppermint in it to increase the salivary flow. Super, super important to have saliva in your mouth to help, like I said, preventing cavities, helping with discomfort and everything. It's really, really important. I would keep a spritzer bottle of the mouthwash on you at all times. You can do it in a glass bottle like this, or we have little little glass spritzers that or little plastic spritzers that we can have we can give you. You can put in your pockets. You can carry them around with you all the time. I would definitely keep them on your nightstand if you have dry mouth during the night. And I would just give yourself a couple of little, pumps of this into your mouth before you go to bed, and then throughout the night as needed. So it's going to help prevent cavities as well, but it helps with stimulating that saliva flow.